We have all heard that money does not buy you happiness. But is it true? Personal finance experts do believe so. By the end of this video, you will know how you can spend money and be happier. We hope that you implement at least some of these ways. Hello and welcome. I am Prarthana from Clear, that is India's largest tax and financial services platform. At Clear, we have assisted 6 million tax filers so far. By the way, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. Yes, we have a free gift for you. We have curated 4 of our best calculators that will help you estimate the future cost of your financial goals as well as identify the lump sum that you need to invest to reach those goals. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form that is provided in the description box below. Now, has the pandemic left you daydreaming about all the times you were free to roam around the world freely and go shopping? Or that trip or concert you and your friends have been planning since forever? With the restrictions easing worldwide, it might be the time to take the leap finally and implement those ideas. Since childhood, we have all been told to not splurge and consider retail therapy as the only form of therapy. We should not be wasteful of our resources, but that does not mean that we should hold back on what should make us happy. After all, we all earn to live. So what is the secret? Well, the secret lies in how you think about money and your saving and spending habits. Retail therapy is a short-term solution for most people as you buy the item once and then move on. However, there is a way to sustain that enjoyment for a relatively long time by indulging in small pleasures rather than big splurges. Buy that fancy and frankly overpriced chocolate once a month rather than buying an expensive pen that you can only keep for decoration. You will be happier spending a little extra every month on a relatively cheaper product than buying something costly and then not ending up using it. Companies thrive on making us compare our shopping habits with others. Often we spend insane amounts of money on something not because it has any real utility for us, but because we think that the society will accept us. For example, most of us don't really require that Rs 1 lakh phone, do we? But we buy it as a status symbol and don't utilize the features that it offers. It is critical to evaluate whether you require the product. Paying for cheaper but useful products will help you save in the long run and ultimately make you happier in the future. Do you now agree that money can buy you happiness? If yes, then comment yes below. Spending on experiences is one of the best ways to spend your money. Spend on vacations, outings, etc. You should also keep in mind that you can outsource some of your work to buy more time for yourself to spend it on how you like it. If you are in the financial position to hire help for your household chores and other similar chores, it is advisable to do that. You will then free up time to invest in what matters to you. It could be spending time with your family or just spending time with yourself. According to several studies, it is found that there are 2 ways of spending money that makes you happier. Either you spend it on yourself through the ways that are mentioned previously in this video, or you can donate it to the charity. Either way, it is not the tangible materials that make you happy, but how you perceive the expenditure. Subscribe to stay tuned and to stay updated, and don't forget to claim your free gift from our giveaway. Check out the description to know more. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos and take care.